Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tarot Guide. This is your girl Rituparna. Today I have come with a Pika card reading. Today's topic is who will you marry? The personality of your future spouse, how will your bonding be? What type of married life you will share with that person, probable timing and some other traits of that person, what could be the probable profession of that person, everything I'll check. Here are two piles. This is pile 1 and this is pile 2. Just on the basis of numbers, choose intuitively. Don't use your logical mind. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and choose your pile intuitively. Okay? It's a general reading, friends, so don't put yourself under pressure. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I'm not doing live shuffling. I have already shuffled the cards, but I have not seen. Now I will see the cards and will read the cards for you. Okay, so I think all of you have chosen your pile. Let's start. At first, pile 1. We have Healer of the Ages. We have Angel of Strength. Okay. We have Man holding a heart. We have the Thinking Man. Healer of the Ages. I feel like that person could be a doctor, a spiritual guide, a psychic, a medium, a healer, an empath. Could be a surgeon. That person is a very spiritual person and always connected with the divine, connected to the divine. That person has some divine powers. That person has some psychic abilities. Intuition power is very strong of that person. That person is very good at heart, very large-hearted, broad-minded person, I'm seeing here. And a very bright person, very intelligent. Intellect level is very high. He thinks always big. He or she, whatever, I'm talking about energy. It could be masculine energy or feminine energy, whatever it is. It's not gender specific reading. So I think you can understand. That person has his or her own kingdom. And he or she is the king or queen of that kingdom. Okay. Very authoritative person. He or she loves commanding or demanding kind of things. That person is a very freedom loving person and he or she doesn't like anybody will supervise or do bossing over that person. That person doesn't like this kind of stuffs. That person has walked a long way, has done a long journey and has attained many experiences. So that person is a very experienced person from the perspective of life, reality, practical life. Okay. Whatever he or she needs, they like to achieve it on their own. They don't like to be helped. They don't like to get help from other people. They will do everything on their own. They just like that kind of thing. I'm seeing here that person is very compassionate, kind-hearted person and always does many charitable works for others, for society. Okay. That person is a really golden-hearted person. That person will like to take risk. That person believes no risk, no gain. He or she just enjoys taking risk in life and achieving own goal. Okay. Very daring kind of energy I'm seeing here. That person has a very dignified and strong personality. Is not a weak person. That person has mental strength. That person will be a very brave person, will have much courage. I'm seeing here a lion You can also see a lion is here, and lion is the symbol of strength, is the symbol of courage, taking risk, achieving goals through the hard work and risk factors. Okay, winning through the difficulties. That kind of a personality that person will have. Number 5 and number 6 could be important. Number 5 and number 6 are obviously important. That person will have a very good communication skill. That person will be able to express his own hurt, own feelings, own emotion. That person will not be an introvert person. No, never. That person will be very smart and energetic person, will have a very good fashion sense, what is in what is off. Okay, this kind of thing, he will be very cautious about those, will have a good dressing sense, using perfumes and all. Okay, always maintaining himself on herself will be a general trait. Man holding a heart, that person could be very energetic and strong externally, but from heart, obviously I have told that that person will have a golden heart, that person will be golden hearted person, that person will be very sensitive also. I'm seeing here very sensitive, it's a channeled message. Sensitive, this word I'm hearing, that person will be very sensitive, could understand anything to a great extent, into a great depth. Okay, and will be able to express that as well. For you, that person will be very pampering kind of a, very pampering kind of a energy I'm getting here, offering love, celebration. Always he will love celebration, celebrating small occasions, remembering, keeping little things in memory, and recalling those moments and celebrating those moments. This kind of energy I'm seeing here. You could be meeting that person in the season of autumn, in the season of winter. That person could be working in government sector as well. And here is a thinking man, will have a deep philosophical thought, will have deep values, entering into the depth of anything is a general trait. Sometimes that person could be very moody. That person could be involved in any kind of research work, could be a researcher, could be a professor also, I'm hearing. Any kind of work, any kind of working sector there, that person could be having a great responsibility, and that person could be wearing uniform in his or her workplace. That kind of thing also I'm seeing here. Let's see the next card what we had. Nine of Wands, Six of Wands, so many Wands card, Ten of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Okay, Eight of Swords, guys who are unmarried right now and are watching this reading, I can see here that that person is coming your way very first. Okay, that person is already on the way, I'm seeing here, and that person has many opportunities in his life from the perspective of career option, not like career options, like promotions, new opportunities. If that person is a business person, then signing new uh, contracts, tender, okay, that kind of things I'm seeing here. So that person is busy with those things, but I'm seeing here that person is coming your way. Already he is on the way, okay, and celebration is also coming your way. But when that person will enter into your life, I'm seeing here you will be a little confused. You will be a little confused because that person will have financial stability, obviously, but I'm seeing here that person is juggling with some kind of financial issues, like he is just dealing with some financial issues. This is not like that a person is not stable, that person is not financially stable. No, not that. I mean, that person is not financially unstable. Okay, that person is obviously stable, but right now I am seeing some ups and downs are taking place, and that person is very busy with those. When you will come to know that, could be you could be a little confused or in a little dilemma that whether you need to proceed here or not. Whatever will be there. That person is not a show off kind of a person. So that is the only reason that you could be in some kinds of dilemma, that whether you should accept this person or not, whether this is the one for you or not. That kind of dilemma. That person will belong to a royal family and many family members will be there. Three generations, I'm seeing here three generations, okay. Grandfather, grandmother, then that person's parents, and then the generation of that person. So I'm seeing here three generations. So the opinion, the consents of all the family members of three different generation is required, and that is also a big deal over here. And I am saying here each generation has its own ego, okay, because already I have told you that that person will belong to a royal family, many family members, different generations, so different opinions will be there. And all the members are stability is there. I'm seeing your own house, not flat or our apartment, okay. But it's a general reading, so take what resonates. But for the majority, I'm seeing here, it will be a house, not a flat. Traditional house, okay, or renovated a traditional house, that kind of. Maybe that person or that person's parents love puppies. I mean, dogs will be there. That person could could belong from a business family, but maybe that person is doing a government job or any government job or any kind of or a job. But with that parallelly, that person is taking care of family business. So that's why that person is a very busy person and now handling some issues of his or her family business. Some kind of things are under processing on, I mean going on, I'm seeing here, okay. Maybe after that person approaches you, could be taking some time, and you could feel insecure. But no, I'm not saying it's a serious issue. But always you have to maintain a great bonding with all the members of his or her family. For some of you, I'm saying here, you can feel a little confined or bound because you will enter into a new family and the environment will be a little different from your own. So you could feel a little confined or bound. I'm hearing indecision, okay. But after this marriage, your career will grow, your financial stability will grow, abundance will enter into your life. You guys will be loving traveling. Next, see birth. Okay, perspective. Okay, you guys will be having some kind of fighting sometimes, but I'm seeing here your ancestors. Literally, I'm seeing here your ancestors are connected here. Your your ancestors who have already passed away. Okay, there is some kind of connection with the ancestors of you and your future spouse. Okay, but in reality, on this 3D plane, on the earth surface, you people could be having fighting sometimes, but they are always seeing you. Just keep this in your mind, they are always seeing you, they are protecting you, and your connection is also being protected by your ancestors. Mainly I'm seeing here your ancestors are playing a major role in your marriage. Their wish is there, they want you to get married. So obviously, for some of you, the people who are very intuitive could feel this, what I'm saying now. Maybe you are in any kind of difficult situation and suddenly you don't know how, but you have come out of that situation. I'm telling you, your ancestors have done this, your ancestors are helping you out. And that person will change some of your perspective. Okay, some of your perspectives, what could be that could be traditional or modern, whatever it is, but you will change your thinking, your thought process. You will give birth of a new idea, new concepts, new perspective, new approaches towards life, and that will be good for you. I'm seeing here unconditional love from that person to you. Everything is present there, but I'm seeing one thing here is shortage of time. Okay, that person will not have sufficient or enough time for you, whatever you want. I'm saying you will have a complaint that that person doesn't give you much time, like that. Because literally I'm seeing here that that person has very little time, will not be able to spend much time with you. But yes, sometimes obviously we'll take you in a vacation, a tour, traveling is here, so don't worry. Hope you guys like it. It was the pile 1 reading. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye pile 1. Hello pile 2, let's start your reading. We have adjacent possibilities. Okay, we have deceit, we have journey, we have man holding a coin. Okay, let's see who we will marry. The personality of that person, the personality of your future spouse. At first check it. Okay, adjacent possibilities. Okay, I'm seeing here that person could be belong to a business family. That person will obviously have a royal house, bungalow type of a house, and that is very sophisticated and well decorated. That person will belong to a very rich family. Many probabilities, possibilities, opportunities are there. I'm seeing here some kind of blockages what you have right now, but when you will get married with this person, all the closed doors will be opened. Many possibilities will enter into your life. Many doors are closed in your life, I'm seeing here, friends. But whenever you will get married with this person, all the closed doors will be opened for you. It could be from the aspect of career, it could be from the aspect of relationship in your family, in your own family, bonding problem, or some distance. But you are dealing with some issues, I'm seeing here. But whenever you will get married with this person, you will get married to this person, all the closed doors will be opened. You will have many opportunities, many possibilities. You will get healed. I'm seeing here, you will get healed. Many blockages will be resolved. That person will be very progressive person and will always help you to grow into your career, to solve all kinds of problems in your life, to take you forward. That kind of energy I'm seeing here. Okay, next is deceit. That person could be in defense, police, law and order. I'm seeing here that person will have some secrets, some confidential matters, what you will not be able to know before marriage. After marriage, you will come to know all those things. After marriage, that person will open up with you. Before marriage, I'm saying no, that person will not open up that much. That person will have some some secretive energy, I'm seeing here. But that person doesn't want to show you, and that person has a different side, different shadow of his or her personality. The external identity, the external personality, whatever you are seeing is real, obviously. But apart from that, I'm seeing here a secret side, a hidden personality, some hidden traits that person will have, that the person will not open up before marriage. After marriage, you will come to know all those things. But that is okay, that is not bad. I'm not saying those are bad or some uh, criminal type of a thing. No, no, I'm not saying that. But that is very confidential. That is a very secretive side of your person. Obviously, you will come to know, and the other people in the society don't know about that side. But yes, that person will open up with you. But that is also after marriage, not before that. I'm saying that. Okay? I hope you understand. The person will be a very logical person. Some people will tell anything and that person will be quiet. No, that person will defend. That person will love to defend always himself, and that person will fight to prove his own points. Okay, I'm saying orthodox. It's a channeled word, channeled message. I'm hearing, actually. I'm hearing orthodox. So that person will have some kind of thought, perspectives about something that is which is very orthodox mentality, and maybe you will not like those. But that person is very strong. That person is very stubborn, very rigid to on those points. Everything is okay, but there is something that person is very rigid with. That person doesn't want to change those things. That person could be having some childhood trauma, and that person is still stuck with those memories, with those moments, so doesn't want to share those things with everybody. That person has his or her own comfort zone. That person talks with those persons, those people only. Okay, a little introvert, I'm saying here, a little. Here is a journey, and number two could be important for you. But you will have a beautiful journey with that person, a long way together. I'm seeing here rainbow. So happiness will be there. You will have happiness with that person, no doubt. A smooth and long journey I'm seeing here, and there is light. There is a destination, and you people are going towards that destination, and that is also together, and you have hope. You are a very optimistic person. My friends, guys, who are watching the reading now, are very optimistic persons. Okay, very optimistic people. You will help your person to come out of that those childhood traumas, childhood issues, and will show him or her a new beginning, a new perspective, a new approach, a new way of thinking. Okay, I'm seeing here energy of silence. साइलेंस की एनर्जी मुझे बहुत बहुत नज़र आ रही. You don't talk much. Okay, you don't talk much, but you could connect to each other on a higher level. You could be in high level soulmate connection. Both of you are very highly evolved souls, I'm seeing here. You could be in high level soulmate connection. You are already in that journey, but you don't know. Okay. Man holding a coin. Yes, I have already told you that that person will belong to a rich family. That person enjoys a luxurious life. That person has money. That person has well establishment, name, fame. But that person has a shadow side. Yes, that person has a shadow side. In front of society, that person shows a particular image. Apart from that, I'm same kind of energy again I'm getting here. Apart from that, that person will have a shadow side, a secret, a hidden side as well. What that person will not show into in front of all the people. That person has his or her own comfort zone, always busy in money, but he has stability, he has money, he has good finance, he has born with a golden spoon, had not to do many struggles, no. But the problem is in the mental health. That person has some mental issues. Some issues are there which have not been been healed. Okay, which are not released, but you will help that person to release the past karmas, the past issues, the past blockages, childhood traumas, and through that, that person will develop a new personality, and that will be your journey. I'm hearing soul purpose. Thank you, spirit. I'm hearing soul purpose. You guys will have a soul purpose together, and that is the soul purpose. And that's why you are on high level soulmate connection, and you will meet. Yes. Next, see. Ten of Swords. Okay. Swords card. I'm telling. Just a moment, guys. Ten of Wands. Okay. Two of Cups. Okay. Soulmate connection. Ace of Cups. Ten of Cups. Okay. There is some kind of disparity. It could be different different races, different castes, different class, different backgrounds, different educational fields, different professions, different complexion. Okay, some disparities are there, but Two of Cups, obviously, you are on high level soulmate connection. Both of you are highly evolved souls, and obviously, Ace of Cups, a new beginning from the emotional perspective. You will share a very good emotional bonding. Of course, soulmate connection, obviously, there will be emotional connection. Ace of Cups, emotional, a natural emotional flow, a natural emotional flow is there. And Ten of Cups, yes, you will have a great bonding. You will have family together, children. Okay. Enjoying each other's company. Enjoying each other's company is the main thing I'm saying here. You will spend a lot of quality time together. Ten of Swords. Obviously, that person has some issues. Heartbroken. That person is hurt. That person is broken from inside. But that person will begin again with you. That person will begin his life, his or her life with you again. He will start for the second time. He will give life second chance. As this is high level soulmate connection, obviously God's grace is here, divine protection is here. Divine is protecting your connection. So don't worry, friends. Divine is taking care. Divine is taking care of your connection. You could meet that person on the full moon. Okay, Purnima ka din. You could be meeting the person on full moon within 10 months or after 10 months. 10 months is important for you. Coming 10 months is very important for you for most of the people. It's a general reading, so it will not resonate with everybody, but for majority I'm saying here 10 months. Coming 10 months is very important for you. You could be meeting that person on full moon. You could get hitched up with that person on full moon. Full moon is very important for you, I'm saying. Okay, cups energy. Three cards are cups card. So summer is important for you. You could go in any vacation in summer, and there you can meet that person. That person will be very responsible for you. That person will pamper you. That person is take care of you always and always. Literally, I'm saying here, taking care of all of your little likes, dislikes, memories, moments, pampering you. I'm saying what will be good for you, what will be bad for you, taking decision on the behalf of you, and that will be for your best. Okay, you will experience these things with that person. That person will always connect you. That person will connect you always. Whatever you are thinking, maybe you are not telling, but that person will understand that. Okay, the energy of silence. This is the energy of silence. Next, see the silence. Oh my god, yes. Archangel Raphael. Okay, what I have told you, the energy of silence. Already I've seen over here the energy of silence. Be still, for the answers lie in the silence. Yes. I feel like you have many questions in your mind. Whenever you will meet with this person, you will have the answers of those questions. What I have told in the case of first card, that you have many closed doors. Whenever you will get hitched up with that person, those all the closed doors will be opened, and the same thing has come again, that you will get the answers of all of your questions in your mind. Okay, solitude, spending time alone in silent nature. Okay, in the silence of virgin nature, spending quality time with that person and entering into deep thought and deep communication, deep conversation, I'm seeing here. And these are very common thing about soulmate connections. Water and ten of cups, ace of cups, two of cups, high level soulmate connection, emotional flow, deep level connections, commitment, loyalty, everything is here. This person is the only one for you. My friends who are in dilemma or thinking that whether that person will be only one for you, I'm telling yes, that person is the only one for you. Your soulmate. Okay. And whatever I told, that this connection is divinely protected. Yes. Second time I have got the confirmation, Archangel Raphael. Thank you so much, angels. Healing and abundance are coming to you. Yes, many issues of that person will get healed, and you will also get the answers of many questions. You will also get healed, and abundance will come to your way. Both of you will start the second innings of your life. Okay, the married life after your marriage will be completely different from the life what you have lived. Both of you have lived before. Okay, so that life will be completely different, and you will start the second innings of your life. Just keep my words in your mind. You will start the second innings, the next innings of your life, and that will be completely different from the previous one. And it's gonna the most beautiful journey with that person. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. These numbers could be important for you, either for you or your person. Could be date of birth, could be in the month of birth. Okay, you could meet that person in those months. Car numbers, flat numbers, bike numbers, could be those. Okay, or